What's up, guys? It's Steve again with Momentum Marketing Tips. Today I want to give you a quick little LinkedIn strategy. I usually don't give this strategy away, but it's a very, very easy way to grow your amount of connections on LinkedIn, and it's very, very simple. So use a little bit of automation and a little bit of good copy, okay? So what you're going to do is, hopefully you have LinkedIn Sales Navigator that makes this method very easy, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're going to search for your ideal client. You're gonna do the parameters. You're gonna say, you know, I'm looking for this type of business owner who's been in business for 10 years, has 0 to 10 employees. You're gonna put the whole search parameters in, okay? And then once it pulls back the list, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use automation software, okay? WeConnect is the one that I recommend, but there's a few different automation softwares out there, okay? What the automation software allows you to do is invite someone to be your connection, but invite them with a note, okay? So here's kind of the magic phrase that will help you convert, you know, get exception rates at a very high rate. So all you're gonna say is, hey, this is John. I'm also in such and such industry. I saw you in the suggested connections. Thought I would connect to see if I could add a little bit of value. The end. No sales, nothing else. No links, no video links. Don't sell anything. Just say, hey, this is my name. I'm also in this industry. Saw you in the suggested connection. Thought I might go ahead and reach out to see if I might be able to add some value. If you use this method, probably for every 100 people you invite, you're gonna get somewhere between 25 to 30 of them to connect with you, okay? Now you can do this manually, but you wanna use automation software as well to get this done. So grow your LinkedIn connections on a daily basis, all right? And that's only gonna take, once you set this up, you literally don't have to touch this at all. So it's cloud-based, you set it up one time, all you're gonna do is just be checking your emails for replies and notifications, and you know, you can interact with those people manually to see what they have going on and how you can carry on your sales process. But just using this one method, I guarantee you will grow probably your LinkedIn account. You'll probably double it within 30 days, if not less. So just wanted to point that out to you guys. Again, if you want a little bit more information about that, just DM me. I'll give you a link to the software that you can use for it. Don't forget to like, comment below, let me know what you thought about this video. And then also, in the link in the bio, as usual, there's a link to the consulting sessions that you can book with me, and that will actually go through your business customly, one-on-one, okay? So again, this is Steve with Momentum Marketing Tips, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care.